Today we're working on a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee with an air conditioning problem. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician, and this little guy right here is my helper today. His nickname is Pterodactyl. So when you have a problem with air conditioning on a car, typically it's going to be from a couple of different possibilities. First of all, it might be low on refrigerant, which is also known as Freon. Secondly, you could have an electrical problem that's not allowing it to turn on. And then thirdly, you could have a ventilation problem, so the temperature control may not be working properly. So on this one today, we're actually low on refrigerant, and it's from one of the hoses. So this hose right here, it's called the suction hose, and that's what's leaking on this one. And so we're going to replace that, charge up their refrigerant, and they'll be good to go. You can't see it in this video, but there's also two other hoses on this car. One is called a discharge hose, and the other is called a liquid line hose. So there you have it. We'll replace the suction hose, charge the system back up with refrigerant or Freon, and then the client's going to be all good to go. So I hope this video has been informational to you and you've enjoyed it. And until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.